So the next two vowel sounds are as in but, and ear, as in ear. So these two sounds are different in that the first one is very, very short. As in but. Notice the shape of my mouth. The position is very relaxed and neutral. Not wide, not open, not rounded, just neutral. As in but. On the other hand, ear is two vowels pushed together. We call this a diphthong. Two vowels squeezed together, like we've seen before. Ear. It starts with the mouth wide and ends with the mouth in a relaxed position. Ear. Ear. As in ear. So it's the same sound as the word ear. Notice that also ear, the word ear, E-A-R, ends in an R sound. And this is another vowel which we use in British English to replace the R sound. In American English, this ear would be pronounced ear. They pronounce the R at the end. But as I mentioned in some previous lectures, when the R sound comes at the end of a word, in British English, we don't pronounce it. We replace it with a vowel sound. So, and ear. These are the two sounds. Let's look at the first sound target practice words. Remember, your mouth is in a neutral position and it's very, very short. So let's look at the words and repeat them after me. But, shut, money, touch, wonderful, brother, hungry, understand, London. Okay, very, very good. Now, the second vowel sound, ear. Remember, it sounds just like the word ear. It's two vowels squeezed together. Ear. The mouth starts wide and ends in a neutral position. Ear. Ear. So let's look at the target sound practice words for this sound. So listen and repeat after me. Ear, year, beard, cheering, idea, nearly, disappear, Shakespeare, beer. So the difference between these two sounds is quite clear. We have a short one and another one which is two vowels pushed together. Now, let's look at the minimal pairs. Even though the difference is quite easy to distinguish, the minimal pairs will further help you to practice and master these two vowel sounds. So on the left we have the words containing a, and on the right we have the words containing ear. So let's start. Listen to the pairs and repeat after me. Does, dears, worry, weary, bud, beard, fuss, fierce, stud, steered. Buzz, beers. Well done. Now, let's move on to the last section of this lecture, the target sounds in use. The first sentence contains the sounds in many of the words. So listen to the sentence and repeat it after me, focusing on the target sounds. I had just enough money for the bus. Okay, sentence 2, we're focusing on the sound ear. So listen again and repeat. We are going to buy some beer and say cheers. Okay, and sentence number 3, a mixture of the two sounds. This year has been really fun, but one thing I haven't done yet is visit Nigeria. Okay, fantastic, well done. Now, as always, grab the extra resources that I provided for you to master these 2 vowel sounds. See you in the next lecture, which is the last lecture for the section on vowels.